Behind me is the longleaf pine. It is native to Florida and is a fireproof tree. The ashes give a vitamin to the roots, and a tree can stand in a big fire.
At the top of this tree, you see woodpecker holes made by a woodpecker to find food. Right here, or around me, you see the resurrection fern. The resurrection fern can go for long periods of time without water. During those times, it appears to be dead, but it will resurrect and turn green again over the course of 24 hours.
Welcome to our fitness trail. This is our balance beam walk. This is working on your balancing, taking your time, walking through slowly. Please be careful while you're up here. Let's go, everybody. You have your arms extended out. You're walking slow. You're balancing yourself. Next one. Take your time when you're walking. Keep your arms out. When you get down to the end, step off nicely. Then you're done. Good job. Good.